Most of us bought dash cams for one simple reason. We wanted proof. Proof if somebody hits our car. Proof if an insurance claim turns into a he said, she said situation. Proof of what actually happened on the road. But lately, dash cams are trying to become a lot more than silent witnesses. Now we have AI-powered dash cams claiming they can warn us about collisions, detect lane departures, monitor driver attention, identify pedestrians, and even act like a co-pilot while we drive. And that raises a pretty important question. Is dashcam AI actually useful, or is it just another marketing buzzword designed to sell more expensive cameras? So today, we are looking into that exact topic. Let's begin. To understand whether AI belongs in a dashcam, we first need to understand what these systems are actually doing. Traditional dashcams are passive devices. They record footage and store it. That is it. AI-equipped dashcams go a step further. They actively analyze the video feed in real time and try to recognize situations happening around your vehicle. Features like lane departure warning, forward collision warning, front vehicle start alerts, pedestrian detection, and even driver monitoring all fall into this category. Instead of simply recording the road, the camera is constantly trying to interpret what it sees and warn you when it thinks something important is happening. Now, on paper, that sounds fantastic. Imagine you're driving home after a long day. Maybe your attention drifts for a second. Maybe traffic suddenly slows down. If the dashcam can recognize that and warn you before something bad happens, that's clearly a good thing. Features like forward collision warning can alert drivers when they're approaching the vehicle ahead too quickly. Lane departure warnings can notify drivers if they start drifting outside their lane without signaling. And front vehicle start alerts can tell you when traffic begins moving at a stoplight. These are all legitimate safety features that exist in many AI-enabled dashcams today. The problem is that there's a huge difference between having the feature and having the feature work well. This is where things get interesting. Factory-installed driver assistance systems in modern vehicles are incredibly sophisticated. They're integrated into the vehicle itself. They know your speed, steering angle, turn signal status, braking inputs, and a lot more. Many of them use dedicated sensors, radar modules, and cameras that have been calibrated specifically for that vehicle. Aftermarket dashcam AI does not have access to most of that information. Instead, it relies primarily on analyzing video footage through a single camera lens, and that limitation matters. For example, a factory lane departure system usually knows when you have activated your turn signal and intentionally changed lanes. A dashcam often cannot. It simply sees lane markings moving relative to the car and decides whether to alert you. That can sometimes lead to unnecessary warnings or alerts that become annoying over time. Many drivers report that some dashcam AI systems are either too sensitive or not sensitive enough depending on road conditions and calibration. And honestly, that is probably the biggest criticism of dashcam AI today. The technology works best when it supplements your driving. It works worst when it constantly interrupts it. We've all used devices that seemed helpful at first but became frustrating after repeated false alerts. If a dashcam warns us every few minutes about situations that are not actually dangerous, eventually we stop paying attention, and once that happens, the feature loses most of its value. Some users even disable these systems completely after a few days because the alerts become more distracting than helpful.
But before we completely dismiss dashcam AI, there is another side to this conversation. Not all AI features are created equal. Some of the newer systems are actually solving real problems. Driver monitoring systems can detect signs of distraction or fatigue. Certain premium cameras can identify pedestrians entering the vehicle's path. Some can monitor parked vehicles, detect impacts, and immediately notify the owner through connected apps. There are even newer systems capable of identifying whether a child or pet has been left inside the vehicle and sending alerts to the driver's smartphone. Those are not gimmicks. Those are genuinely useful applications of computer vision and AI. And that is where we think the conversation changes. When AI tries to replace a vehicle's factory safety systems, it often falls short. When AI adds another layer of awareness or convenience, it becomes much more valuable. Think about it this way. If somebody tells us their dashcam's lane departure warning is as good as the system inside a brand new luxury SUV, we are probably going to be skeptical. But if somebody says their dashcam can notify them when someone bumps their parked car, detect suspicious activity nearby, or remind them when traffic starts moving at a stoplight, those are far more realistic expectations. Then there's the question of whether AI changes the primary reason we buy dashcams in the first place. For us, the answer is no. The most important job of a dashcam is still recording clear, reliable footage. Everything else comes second. If a dashcam has amazing AI but mediocre video quality, we would take the better video quality every single time. At the end of the day, footage is still what protects you during accidents, insurance disputes, or unexpected incidents on the road. That core function has not changed. So, is dashcam AI a scam? Not exactly. Is it a lifesaver? Sometimes. The truth sits somewhere in the middle. Good AI features can absolutely make driving safer and more convenient. Features like collision alerts, pedestrian detection, driver monitoring, and advanced parking surveillance can provide real benefits when implemented properly. But of course, AI in a dashcam should be viewed as an assistant. Even the manufacturers and industry experts generally position these systems as supplemental safety tools rather than primary ones. So, if you're shopping for a dashcam today, our advice is pretty simple. Buy the camera for its recording quality first. Look for clear footage, good low-light performance, reliable parking protection, and stable operation. Then treat AI features as bonus tools that may improve your experience rather than the main reason to buy the camera. Because when the AI works well, it can absolutely be useful, but when that unexpected moment finally happens on the road, it is still the video footage that will matter most. And that's really where we land on this whole debate. AI is not magic, it's not a scam either. It's simply another tool. Sometimes it's incredibly helpful, sometimes it gets in the way. The key is knowing what it can realistically do and what it cannot. That was all for this one. Let us know in the comments, do you actually use the AI features on your dashcam, or do you turn them off and just rely on the recording? We would love to hear your experience. And if you found this breakdown helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more real-world car tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.